Oh yeah, when I put for my hand, they draw. Okay. Make we go here. Nasianso. Okay. So that is how to maintain what you have. So all my videos that I am posting on social media has meanings. Has meaning. It's just like when I'm taking care of clothes. Sometimes those clothes, even if that I buy them, some of them from a low budget store. But when I will tell you how many years they have spent with me, you will be so shocked and surprised. You know what I'll say? Oh, is this what you bought for 20 euro? You will say, I have a lot of clothes bought with a lot of money. I have some that I bought with low budget of money. But the maintenance matters a lot. The same with hair. You have to maintain them by yourself.